Yeah, hey, Jessica, you remember me? I know, we talked a lot on various topics. And yeah, I'm good. Thank you for asking. How about yourself? Right, it's lovely to hear that you are doing well. How's your new job? It's great, right? Yeah, I'm very surprised that you moved to Keith's company because we had talked before about how you didn't really like the job there, you guessed. I see. Right. Yeah, my cats are fine. Thank you for asking about my children. Yeah, those two are happy as ever. Right. How about your doggy? He's good? Oh, Golden. Yes. Golden is doing great. Wonderful. Right, I know. I don't want to waste any more minutes. Point is, Jessica, I'm a little bit running out. Yeah. I'm a little bit broke this month. So yeah, I'm running out of money. I just want to check if you could lend me some money, Yeah, just for this month, just for the last week of this year. Exactly. And it's going to be the next year already, the next 2 weeks, in the next 2 weeks. Thank you so much. You are so kind to ask how much I would like. Well, I thought I would be asking for 2,000 baht, but now as you asked, I could ask for 5,000 baht. Is that okay though? I don't want to disturb you, because we are just new friends, How about 4,000 baht? Is that okay? Yes, so my prompt pay is this phone number. Make sure it's my name on the bank account. Yeah, right. Thank you so much. And we need to meet up sometime, okay? At a restaurant near your place or maybe near my place. Yes, thank you so much. I will be looking forward to the transaction. You have a good day. Yes. Talk to you again later. Bye. ที่ฉันโทรไปยืมเงินเจสสิก้าเพิ่งรู้จักกันเองนางก็ใจดีเดี๋ยวนางไม่ให้ 5,000 แต่นางให้ 4แล้วนางก็เพิ่งรู้จักเราก็เพิ่งรู้จักนางถ้าใครยังไม่รู้ว่าเพื่อนกี่เจสสิก้าเป็นใครก็เดี๋ยวลองไปดูคลิปตรงนี้ข้างล่าง I put it in the caption for you already so check it out